Hello, today we have another unboxing of a knife. And I'm going to use the last Nolichucky I got to open the new one. I'm just going to keep that going. As I get another one, I'll use the last one I received. This has actually turned into my favorite over the Stag even, which is completely backwards of what I expected. But once you get the smooth bone in the hand, it's not near as slippery as you would think. Probably open this upside down because it's got the address on the other side. Let's see what we got here. It's a lot of paper. Knife Center evidently wants to make sure these boxes are not going to open. Let's see how good this one looks. I just looked on their website and these are now sold out. It's darker in here. The jigging looks really good. But it is darker in here. So it's harder to make out the color. Advertised as a vintage. I believe this one. It's kind of like the mossy brown everyone says, but I didn't get that one. Shield in there nice. Nice and flush. And then this is thicker. This is somewhat like the comparable to the Stag, but more uniformed. Let's see the action. Let's see the centering. Right down the center. Then the action. Let's see something real quick. Because on the Stag, it looks like the tang is just a hair shorter. Almost. Yep. Looks like it's going to be a little bit shorter in the very end of the tang on this one. It's smoother action. It doesn't snap like these ones do. That's a snappy. This one, real snappy. And the action on this, being a year older, I think they improved it a little bit. Not quite as snappy. No blade play. It feels really good in the hand. Comparing those two. Comparable in thickness. But again, this will be ununiform because it's just natural Stag. It's a natural bone too, but it gets cut precise. So there's the vintage hand jigging there. They did really aggressive jigging on this one. I know the last one, the red, the Dapper, red orange looking, they did a few lines and almost made it look like a stag jigging, like a natural stag jigging. Really pretty color. It's hard to make out in this light. I'm going to have to find a more natural light eventually. But thanks for watching the unboxing. I want to do kind of like a comparison later on and spend more time with them and tell you what I carry the most. I know this orange one's probably going to be in a pocket somewhere. Thanks for watching.